Hey, you doing? Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com, thewinterforecast.com, and snowplownews.com. Time for an outlook over the next couple days. This one includes severe weather on Tuesday in parts of Louisiana, Shreveport, back up towards western Louisiana, eastern parts of Texas, and then we have the Marshall risk come up in parts of Arkansas. This actually may extend north a little bit if we get a little more of that southern jet kick in, and we'll show you on the actual maps or the computer model data why this is. So we see a few things. We have a current low here up in parts of northern Minnesota and Wisconsin, UP and Michigan, and we have a front coming down here with a low pressure here in South Texas, pushing out here into the Midwest. We got severe thunderstorms occurring, tornadoes in areas, especially in northeast Texas, Arkansas, and parts of southern Louisiana. You can see this becomes more of a squall line as a secondary low pressure actually develops here over the Missouri area. Anywhere from St. Louis south, it looks good. This is why I was showing you on a Storm Prediction Center thing. But this could be more of a severe weather threat than it's showing on the Storm Prediction Center. This continues to move east as the high pressure system off the coast keeps that southerly flow coming on in as that low tries to move northeast. As you see, showers and thunderstorms continue here across the area. We're trying to get a low starting to go also in Texas, which is kind of interesting. And it's actually starting to develop here. We get more showers and thunderstorms develop on the day, Thursday. As that low does develop and start pushing some of the thunderstorms to the east, it's more of a cutoff low here in Texas for a while. As you see, it just moves in primarily a circle. It moves from here, southern Texas, back towards the area here in Colorado, and that high pressure is pretty stalled of staying where it's at. But this low and its forming low will continue to move east and move into the Roanoke area, then the Philadelphia area with some showers, possibly some thunderstorms. Not really looking at a severe weather threat because of the way that the storm came in. The low pressure is just not going to be there. It's not going to be a lot of low-level winds here. So I'm not really counting to have severe weather being a big issue. At least not this time around. Next time around, maybe different. We're going to have a little bit more on a way of low pressure, stronger front coming through, pretty sharp cutoff with cold air behind it. This could be more of a severe weather maker next week than this week. And I said, more lows develop, and this is exactly what we don't want, because like I said, these lows now that are developing in the severe weather areas, moving up to Appalachians, actually give the area a bigger threat of severe weather. So that's one issue we're going to have upcoming with these lows that come off the Appalachian mountain chain. As you see here, I'm continuing to show you further and further towards the end of March. Same idea. Strong southerly winds, low pressure causes rotation in the atmosphere. Remember, we were talking the other day here about that in our severe weather outlook. So we're going to be on the lookout for severe weather probably the next 3 weeks between the Midwest and the East Coast. So snow, I don't see any major chances of that, and beyond this date on the 24th, it would be less likely to see any. But we will keep an eye on it. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Have a great one.